Oneida Language Sound Chart 1. In this video, you will learn the vowels, resonants, other consonants, and the Oneida language alphabet. In this slide, you will see the vowels A, E, I, O, U, and the caret. Alongside each of these vowels is a little bit of an explanation on how they should sound while you're speaking. So we have A, A, E, O, and those are the sounds that the vowels will make. Here you see a list of consonants, also known as resonants. These are resonants because they are a continuing sound. So here we have the L as in low, N as in no, W as in we, and Y as in yes. Other consonants. This is a continuation of the consonants listed on the previous page. Resonance. The T is in water, close to a D sound when followed by a vowel or a resonant. When followed by an H consonant, the sound will be closer to a T sound, as in today. K as in gill or gate. This sound is closer to a G sound when followed by a vowel or resonant. When followed by an H consonant, the sound will be closer to a K sound, as in kite. Other consonants continued. S as in was. This sound is closer to a Z sound when followed by a vowel. When followed by an H consonant, the sound will be closer to an S sound, as in skill or start. H as in help. This consonant also helps to create the hard T, K, and S sounds, as in talk, kit, and say. Punctuation. A short stress is indicated by an up stress mark over the vowel being stressed. Vowels with short stresses are pronounced slightly louder with a rising tone of voice. The vowel is the same length as other vowels in the word. Examples: get, oista, and atta. A long stress is indicated by an up stress mark over the vowel followed by a colon. Oneida language alphabet. Here is the list of letters we use in the Oneida language alphabet. We have A, E, H, I, K, L, N, O, S, T, U, W, Y, and caret.